Hi, Linda Sessions here, and this is recorded a little early, but this is for week 7 in computer applications. Now, week 7 is coming up the week after Thanksgiving, and I'm recording this the week before Thanksgiving, but I wanted to give those of you who maybe have some extra time during Thanksgiving the opportunity to work ahead in the class if you wanted to. It is completely fine to work ahead in my class. Still need to make sure that you do get the work done by the due dates, before the due dates actually, but you can work ahead. But let's go ahead and let's look at week 7 in computer applications. So here week 6 was the PowerPoint module. So we've done the Excel. No, it's been a couple of weeks since you've done Excel, so you're going to have to brush off some of those Excel skills. So you might want to go back and maybe just look at some of the videos, review some of the text, some of the tips in Excel. Word, going to be creating another paper, or not a paper, but a flyer type in Word. And then PowerPoint, just finishing up PowerPoint. So hopefully you had fun creating What Do I Know PowerPoint presentation. And here in week 7, it's the big project week. And this is where you get to create 3 projects, one in Excel, one in PowerPoint, and one in Word, all around a school fundraiser. Now, if I click on here, you see I'm actually in week 7. This is in my face-to-face class, but it's the same assignment for my face-to-face and my online classes. So don't let those dates that you see here in this video fool you. Look at the due dates in your course syllabus for when your project is due. You do have a discussion board that's due this week, so make sure that you take a look at that. And I just want to know, where do you think we're headed with technology? Where do you think what's going to happen in the future? And you know, there's a lot of talk going on, lots of I've been playing with technology, making pictures, art. Does that mean it's my art that I have control over, or is it the computer's art? Where does the line get drawn at? But anyway, where do you think we're heading with technology? What are we heading into? Then there are 3 projects: school fundraiser for Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Now, just finished the PowerPoint fundraiser, but if I click on the Excel school fundraiser here, when it pops up, you're going to see the video in here for the Excel skills. This video, I cover a lot of the skills and the things that you need to do in order to complete this project in Excel. But don't just complete it according to the video. Make sure that you also read the instructions and follow the instructions as well. This is what your final workbook is going to look like. You're also, I believe, going to have I don't remember if we do a chart or not. Yeah, you do. Create a chart. You're going to do a 3D pie chart as well. So you're going to be creating this workbook, and you're also going to be creating a pie chart. So make sure that you follow the instructions here for Excel. In PowerPoint, let's see. Go back to the module here. For PowerPoint, again, I just finished. There's going to be a video right here. Now the video for PowerPoint's almost 50 minutes long, but I go through each of the slides. I don't complete each of the slides. A lot of the slides is adding pictures, formatting the pictures, and you've done all that. You just did that last week, so I don't do that in the slide, but I do talk about putting in pictures, formatting the pictures, making sure that you don't use the office theme, black on white or white on black. I just think that's boring. Make it something interesting. So make sure you follow all the instructions. You're going to add transitions. You're going to add animations. Now on the animations, I don't tell you which slides to put them on, but you need to have animations on graphics and or your text on at least 4 slides. I want you to make this your presentation, so you don't have to just regurgitate what I do in the video. Here's an example. You don't have to be selling these same items, but try to be realistic. You are creating a fundraiser for your hometown Panthers. Now, yes, there is not a starter file for PowerPoint. You're starting out with a blank slate on your PowerPoint, so you can make it all yours. In fact, the one in the video doesn't look like this one. It's a little bit different, so have fun with it. Again, it's worth 100 points as well. The last one for Module 7 is the Word School Fundraiser, and that, again, there is a video where I go over it. Now, one of the things that you do in the Word Fundraiser is that you add a table. And so in the video, I go over a little bit more in detail about adding a table and moving a table around, because it's in the textbook, and I think it's in the tips, but we didn't really do a lot with the tables. So make sure that you pay attention in the video. Also here in the instructions, it talks about what you need to do. So just pay attention. I try to help you out there, especially in that video. So here's what your final document should look like for that. You're going to have a panther up at the top. You're going to have a little table in the middle and a smart art at the bottom, and along with a bulleted list. So here's all the instructions that you need for it. You do have a starter file here, which you can see in Canvas, and then here is also the Panther logo image if you want to use this particular Panther logo. It is right there. You can use that one to go right here at the top, and you can even use the same logo in your PowerPoint presentation if you want to. That's perfectly fine with me. The thing to remember about these 3 is that they are worth 300 points. So the assignments this week, they're big. If you don't do them, it can literally lower your overall grade by 1 grade. Each one of these, the Excel, the PowerPoint, and the Word, they are all worth 100 points each. Your discussion board is worth 15 points. So week 7 is 315 points. It's a big week. Make sure you check on your grades. I will be sending out information before Thanksgiving, actually this week, on your grades, so you'll know where you're at in the class. But yeah, it's a big week. The other thing you'll notice in your modules is that week 8 is also posted. So if you want to work ahead and get everything completed in class, excuse me, you can. I am fine with that. If you're in the face-to-face class, you still have to come to class. You know, talk with me if you finish everything, okay? But online students, you can go ahead if you want to. I've already had a couple of students that have finished everything, so you can work ahead in my class, just don't fall behind. Starting now, I will not accept any late work in any of my classes. So no late work. Watch the due dates. They're posted in your classes. So make sure you look at that. You've got to get them turned in on time or you will get zeros. You will not receive credit if they are late. So make sure you watch those due dates. So from my house to your house, I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. If you're watching this after Thanksgiving, if you're watching it before Thanksgiving, I hope you have a good Thanksgiving. So during the week of Thanksgiving, I'll be pretty busy with family. My kids are coming to my house, and so I'm just going to be having fun with family and with my husband, goofing off, and hopefully learn to play a new game of some sort and just have fun. So if you need me, might be emails back to you might be delayed a little bit during the week of Thanksgiving. So work on stuff this week. Try to relax, look ahead, watch the videos, and hey, Black Friday, Chiefs versus the Raiders. I'm hoping for the Chiefs to win. All right? Okay. Have a good one. Have fun with week 7. Have fun creating your Excel, PowerPoint, and Word fundraiser projects.